What's going on, everybody on the internet? So as you can see, I have zero makeup on. My hair is looking a hot mess, and that's because I am locked down to my house. I haven't been able to work, and that's like a lot of people. And I feel like with this whole COVID thing, there's such a negative vibe going on, and I have just came up with not one, not two, not three, but quite a few ideas that could help you stay busy, productive, and in a positive mindset during the whole quarantine situation. So if you'd like to see that, then stay tuned. So the first thing is going to be to binge watch SVU until you've literally seen every episode. So the first one's going to be to spring clean, organize, and catch up on laundry. These are all things that when I was working, I never had enough time because I'd get home, have to go in, next day go in. Get on your spring cleaning early, clean out everything, get ready for when we get off this lockdown, to be really prepared and have everything organized because this will not last forever. The second thing is going to be for those of y'all who like to cook, and even if you don't like to cook, it could be something fun and exciting to try, is a new recipe. So what I like to do is I will Google, and I always put easy and simple because we want the easy and simple stuff. Easy and simple. The other day I made apple crisp because I had some apples. I put easy, few ingredient apple crisp, and then I'll actually, when I find a recipe that I want, I'll click on it and save it to my home screen so a little icon will appear on my phone. And that way I don't have to worry about losing it, and while I'm cooking stuff, if I want to look at it and my phone goes to something else or I get a text, then I can just click back on it and it's still there. And that's also good because I have like a whole page where one of the screens on my phone is just recipes, and if I ever want to make something that I've already made before, I can just go back and click on it. Third thing is going to be, I actually have notes right here, that's probably why I keep looking down, is going to be work on your hobbies. Make time for the things that you usually don't have time for. When we're dealing with everyday life and we're focused on, working and taking care of our responsibilities and stuff like that, we kind of forget to make time for our hobbies. So one of mine personally is I like to draw. I'm really into art and stuff like that. I know some people like to do makeup. I dabble here and there. Okay. And some people like to do music. Other people like to do YouTube. So you can really use this time to your benefit to, do something that you normally wouldn't have time for. Number 4. This is a big one. This one's like super huge. No, okay, it's not that big. To exercise, and that really doesn't have to be as in like regular exercise. There's all types of stuff you can do. You can do yoga. If you have a pool, you can go swim. If not, there's always YouTube you could use to look up different workouts. Maybe just something small and simple, but that also helps not only fill your time, and not only is it good for you, but it's also good for your mind. So it's good physically and mentally because your mind's going to produce endorphins while it's getting exercise in, so that's also really good. Number 5 is a girly one, but I think guys can do it too. It would be to self-pamper and stuff of that nature. So you could do a face mask that you've been wanting to do your fingernails, your toenails, just be girly, You could also do a hair mask, and if you don't have some in the packets, there are stuff that you can look up online. Such as, homemade face mask and homemade hair mask, just stuff that you can find in your fridge. So that's always fun, and I find we don't always have time for stuff like that. So number 6 is going to be if you have dogs that grow hair that needs to be cut, or if you just have a dog period, you could still bathe them. I know a lot of the times that will slip away. You know what I mean? It goes kind of off into the distance. Oh yeah, we need to give them a bath. But now is the time, so I think we should all use this time to our advantage. Bathe our pets, clip them if needed, trim their toenails if needed, and give them the flea pill. Don't forget about that. So number 7, this one is super practical. Just about anybody can do this one, and it's going to be to rest and to sleep and recuperate from all the work we've been doing and everything of that nature, because it's really time to take some me time. You know what I'm saying? Me time for yourself to rest and recuperate, just get those Z's in and call it a day, because you know what? It's not every day that we get to experience a break like this. Even though we can't get our money and stuff like that, there is a lot of things that we can still do. All the stuff in this video is 100% legit. You can do it. I do it constantly. So I just hope that this sheds some light on all the negativity that's going around with the COVID and stuff like that. And I hope y'all enjoyed this. So stay tuned for more. And I hope y'all have a great day.